Stop lighting your setup like this. Instead, light up your setup like this for under $100, and you only need 3 different types of lights. The first one's gonna be your main light or key light, the second one's gonna be your hair light, and then finally some sort of background or accent light. Instead of spending a lot of money on apertures or Nanlite Pava tubes, I opted in for this Amazon light kit combo. It comes with 2 softbox light kits and it costs around 60 to 70 bucks. I'll leave a link in my bio if you want to check it out. So like I said, it comes with 2 lights, meaning one can be used as your main light and the other is your hair light. As the name suggests, the hair light is intended to point at your hair, creating a separation between you and the background. The only other thing I would buy are these dimmable lights. The reason being is you don't want your hair light to overpower your key light. The last and final thing you can get is a background or accent light. And to keep this under budget, my biggest advice to you would be have your computer monitor in the background like I do. Go on YouTube, look up some sort of like 4K screensaver, and just make it to where your background's not crazy boring.